Sometimes it seems like light moves at random speeds.
Oh boy.
Galileo, I thought you were dead.
They thought Tupac was dead too. But actually, boy, I hypothesized that light moves at a finite speed. Isn't that correct?
Galileo, often known as the father of modern science, was a famous 17th century Italian philosopher, scientist, and astronomer who was known for creating telescopes and mentioned in this video hypothesizing that light could move at a finite speed. He's also a pretty good looking dude as seen in this video.
Take one. Okay, I'm very nervous to teach Jack physics. I gotta sound like a genius. Okay, I gotta remember that the speed of light is so important that it has its own symbol, c, and you can derive the equation for getting speed of light as c equals wavelength times frequency. Yeah, I also gotta remember that they found it by very precise lasers and atomic clocks. Okay, I'll be okay. Let's go.
That's crazy. If we figure out the speed of light, we could be millionaires and win Nobel Prizes.
Jack, that's already been done by Albert Michelson. He calculated the time it took for light to take 2 trips around the mountains and accurately measured what the speed of light is. He measured it to be 2.997996 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Isn't that crazy? And he won a Nobel Peace Prize, so it would have been great if we could have done it, but it's already been done.
I still don't understand how the speed of light can be measured.
Jack, you really don't know your properties of light, do you? Danish astronomer Ole Krømer hypothesized that Jupiter's moon Io's orbital period could be 14 seconds shorter or longer depending on if Earth was moving towards it or away from it. Now, Jack, I'm going to teach you how it's possible for light to move that quickly.
A few moments later.
No, Jack, I said 30 million meters per second.
2,000 years later.
Alright, tell them what I taught you.
So what you're saying is that light moves at a finite speed at 30 million meters per second, which means that everything that happens is delayed by a very small amount of time. But because the sun is so far away, light from the sun actually takes 8 minutes to get from the sun all the way to Earth.
Yes, Jack. I'm Galileo. I'm your host for today's Jeopardy. Today we're going to have on a young freshman named Jack. I've taught him myself. My friend Cole has taught him. We've all tried to teach him the law of light fundamentals. And today we're going to put him to the test, and the prize can be $1 million. My contestant, Jack, the name of the game today, you get 3 strikes. 3 strikes and you're out. But if you get 3 questions right before you get 3 strikes, you win $1 million. Okay?
Right.
First question. I'll start you off with a real hard one. Okay? Who first hypothesized that light has a finite speed?
It was you, Galileo.
Oh, that is correct. Damn, I am pretty cool. Right, and we're back. Jack, you have 1 strike. 2 more and you're out. Okay. Next question. Who proved that the speed of light is 2.99 times 10 to the 8th meters per second?
Was it Albert A. Michelson?
Oh, good job. And we're back. Jack has gotten 2 right. He gets 1 more. He gets the $1 million prize. Okay, here's the question. What was Ole Krømer looking at when he hypothesized that light can be measured?
Was he looking at Saturn's rings?
I'm sorry, Jack. That is incorrect. He was looking at Jupiter's moon Io's orbital period. All right, and we're back. Jack has 2 strikes and 2 correct answers. He can either lose, get nothing, get made fun of by all his friends, or win $1 million. All depending on this question. This is Jeopardy. All right, here's the question, the final question. How long does it take light to get from the sun to Earth?
Looking, finds Rose. Rose trying to get
8 minutes and 12 seconds.
Good job, that's correct.
Rose trying to get open, fires away. Bang! It's over! The Bulls win at the buzzer!